Okay, so I've taken you guys to the fruit tree orchard in the back. Well, this is the backyard too, but all the way in the back. And now I'm going to show you guys the citrus hedge that I got going on right here. So I've had a couple of these fruit trees for just about 2 years. And then recently we filled it up. I have one more spot for one more tree, but we just finished this planter box bench around it. I wanted it to be dual purpose, you know, obviously keep the trees contained, but then also for seating around this area. So right here I have a Eureka lemon. I have a Bear's lime. I have a Moro blood orange. I have a golden nugget mandarin. I have a pineapple guava, not a citrus, but stays evergreen like citrus, so figured I could throw a couple of those in. I have a pink Caracara navel orange. I have a tropic pink guava, which if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that was my Mother's Day present yesterday. I have a loquat. I don't know what variety. My grandma's neighbor has a huge tree, and the fruit is super sweet, so this is grown from seed off of one of her trees. I have a spot for something right here, and then my uncle just moved, didn't have room for this finger lime. He had it in a pot, so we took it out and put it here at the end of the bench. You can notice that this is a chain link fence, but we just put this black screen over it, and then it has like a little brick wall on the bottom. So citrus plants are sensitive, not necessarily loquat, but guava are super sensitive. So you have to protect them from frost. And citrus, you have to protect from frost for the first couple years. Oh look, on the pineapple guava, there's the really pretty flowers. And those are edible. You can eat the petals. They taste like cotton candy. They're super sweet. So the brick wall now with the black sheet helps keep the heat in, and then now even more so with the planter box around it. We'll keep the heat in with these trees, and then I planted them 5 feet apart. I want them to grow up to the top of this fence at least, and then I'll keep them pruned like in a hedge shape. And then the ones that they all have thorns, like little tiny thorns like this one. Can't even see any. Oh, there's just a few you could see. Just really small ones in there. But some of them like this, well really this is the only one, has crazy dagger thorns. You can see that. So I really don't want to get rid of this tree because I really want golden nugget mandarin, so I might just keep this one super far pruned back, at least so if anyone's sitting there they're not going to hit it, and make it grow more towards the wall. But yeah, the way I water it, so I have a hose right here, but I just have a little liter hose, and then I have the soaker hose. So for the longest time, this 25-foot soaker hose was plenty. It got me all the way down to my Caracara pink orange. But now I just added these other trees today, so I gotta find the end of this soaker hose and just add another connecting piece on it, and then the rest of these. But right now I have the hose in the back because I've been watering these by hand, just to soak them into place. So yeah, this should be cool. I'll keep you guys updated on it as it starts to grow and fill in, and it should look really nice.